Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So in our previous video for this vehicle we have showed you how we installed the dash cam, and now we're going to show you the end result. So we have the dash camera just under the mirror, so that way it doesn't interfere with the driver when he's driving. All the wires are going through the factory channel. We showed you in the previous video the channel removed and where the wiring are going. All the power has been taken, like we said, from the kick panel. So there's a connector there that has a constant positive that will not be interfering with the vehicle battery. And in the back we have the camera, rear camera, going through the factory channel just to make sure everything is clean, is nice, there's no water coming in or nothing. We always make sure all the rubbers and everything is locked all the way. Very important, because if you don't have that locked all the way, you will have water coming in. And the wires are going straight out, go straight in here all the way to the other side. We showed you how we ran the wire to the front, and pretty much that's it. If you need the installation of dash cams of vehicles and Teslas and different vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.